Hi there, welcome to my channel. The place where every recipe comes with a hint of fun. Today I'm going to teach you how to make crispy potatoes in the air fryer, perfect for any occasion. They are golden crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and best of all, no frying or dirt. At the end of the video, I'll tell you a simple secret, but it makes all the difference to make the potato even crispier. So leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get to the recipe. Ingredients: 3 large potatoes of your choice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon sweet or smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano or rosemary, optional. To start, take 3 large potatoes. You can choose whether to keep or remove the skin, but the most important thing is to wash them well before cutting. Now, cut into the shape you prefer, stick, rustic, or slices. The secret here is to keep the pieces similar in size so that all the potatoes bake equally. Once cut, soak the potatoes in a bowl of cold water for at least 30 minutes. This helps remove excess starch and ensures they are crispy after baking. After this time, drain the water and dry the potatoes well with a clean cloth or paper towel. This step is essential so that they do not become withered. Now let's season. In a large bowl, add the dried potatoes and drizzle with a tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is important because it helps create a golden crispy crust without needing to fry. Then, add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of sweet or smoked paprika, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. If you want extra flavor, you can add dried herbs like oregano or rosemary, which go really well with roasted potatoes. Mix everything very well until all the potatoes are covered in seasoning. With the potatoes well seasoned, it's time to bake. Preheat the air fryer to 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes to ensure it is already hot when the potatoes come in. Then, distribute the potatoes in the basket, spreading them well so that they do not overlap. This is very important to ensure that they all stay crispy and golden brown. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes at 392 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring halfway through so the potatoes bake evenly. And here's the secret I promised at the beginning. In the last 5 minutes, increase the temperature to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. This gives that final touch of crunch that makes all the difference. Now just remove the potatoes from the air fryer and serve immediately. Look at this texture. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, and with an incredible flavor. You can eat it plain or serve it with a special sauce, such as seasoned mayonnaise or homemade ketchup. Now it's your turn to try it. Make this recipe and tell me in the comments what you think. If you like this video, leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more incredible recipes like this. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.